Hello student, in previous lecture we had studied the reactions of metal with oxygen. The next point in the chapter is the reactions of metal with water. Today I will teach to you the next chemical property of the metal is reactions of metal with water. You know that the reactivity of metal is not same. Some metals are highly reactive and some metals are less reactive. You remember one important point: the highly reactive metal react with cold water at a room temperature. The first example is the sodium. Sodium is the first group element and it is a highly reactive metals. Due to high reactivity of sodium, it react with cold water at room temperature and form a sodium hydroxide solution with the evolution of hydrogen gas and heat. Balance the equations. Sodium fastly react with cold water and to form a NaOH solution, and with the evolution of hydrogen gas. Understanding heat is evolved. Second example, potassium metal is also an example of first group element. Therefore, it is a highly reactive. It reacts with cold water at room temperature and form potassium hydroxide solution KOH and liberate again hydrogen gas with the evolution of large amount of heat. Understand? Sodium and potassium is the high reactive due to high reactivity of metal. It fastly react with cold waters. Say third example, calcium metal. Calcium is a second group element. Therefore, calcium is less reactive with a cold water. When this calcium metal is added in cold water, then it slowly react with cold water. Calcium slowly react with cold water and you want the less amount of heat and liberate the hydrogen slowly and to form a calcium hydroxide plus slowly liberate the hydrogen gas and you want the heat. This liberated hydrogen gas, slowly liberated hydrogen gas is stick to the calcium metal, the surface of calcium metal. Therefore, their calcium metal is float on the surface of cold water. Question may be asked, give scientific reason. When the calcium metal is added in cold water, they are float on the surface of water. Why? How to write this answer? Calcium is less reactive with cold water. When you add this calcium metal in cold water, they react with cold water slowly and liberate the less amount of heat and hydrogen gas is evolved slowly. This liberated hydrogen is in the form of bubble. These bubbles stick to the surface of calcium metal. Therefore, they are float on the surface of cold waters. Next, aluminium, zinc and iron is a aluminium, zinc and iron, they do not react with cold water or hot waters. They react with steam of waters. For example, first is the zinc. Zinc is do not react with cold water or hot water, but they react with the steam of waters and it form a zinc oxide and liberate the hydrogen gas. Understand? Aluminium and iron also not react with cold water and hot waters. For example, aluminium is react with a steam of waters. Steam of water, it form of aluminium oxide and liberate the hydrogen gas. Less reactive metal. Next, iron. Iron is also less reactive with cold water. Sorry, iron is do not react with cold water or hot waters. They react with steam of water. and it form a iron oxide Fe3O4 and liberate the again hydrogen gas. How will it react this metal aluminum ion with steam? Set up this experiment as like figure. Take the hard glass tube, then take the glass wool soaked in water and keep the metal sample in the glass tube. Fix this glass tube to the stand as shown in figure and fix the rubber cork which having the gas delivery tube. The other end of gas delivery tube is fixed in the inverted test tube containing the waters and heat the glass wool soaked water with the help of burner. Then this water present in the glass wool converted into the steam. This steam is react with aluminum metal or iron metals and form its oxide and liberate the hydrogen gas. This hydrogen gas is collected in the test tube. This gas liberated comes in the form of bubbles in the test tube and hydrogen gas is collected. I understand. This is the activity of reactions of metal with a steam of waters. The question may be asked on this point. Write the balanced chemical equation when sodium metal react with cold water, potassium metal react with cold water, or calcium metal react with cold water, or when zinc, aluminium, or iron react with steam of water. Write its balanced chemical equation. Or question may be asked, give scientific reason when the calcium metal is react with cold water, then they are float on the surface of water. Such type of question may be asked in the examination. Thank you.